Hi Libra, this is your monthly reading for the month of May. This is for the sun sign and the rising sign of Libra. So what's coming to you in this time period is Ace of Wands and the Sun card in your environment. So the Ace of Wands and the Sun card could be involvement with children. It could be also fun times, recoveries in health, career, or your personal life. With the Ace of Wands, you will find your new passion that is going to drive you. But at this moment, you are going through some stuck situation in life, and that is giving you an energy to struggle with this stalemate. You want to get out of a difficult situation, and with the hermit energy you are going to withdraw from situations to think about your life in this time period, and you are going to be wise in this time to step back. So the hangman and the queen of swords energy is telling me you have to let go of something you have been practicing, something you have been doing, some kind of energy you need to take out from your situation to get out of your stalemate energy. So you need to think about your situation, you need to break away from people, and you need to spend some time on your own to sacrifice something that you have been rooting for. So with the queen of swords energy, your mind is at work, you are being intellectual, you are thinking, you are trying to draw conclusions, you are trying to be strict, you are going to create some boundaries. But whatever is troubling you at this time, you need to sacrifice that energy, because it is causing a stalemate in your life. It could be some illusory thing that is troubling you. You could also feel that there is a lack situation in your body or mind, in your environment. You could be thinking like that. You could be thinking that people are ignoring you, people are trying to close doors on you. So these energies are around you, but very soon you will see in the month of May things are going back to normal or better for you, because you will decide to take your time out, take your a thing, get yourself out of a situation where you were getting too involved and you were not making a headway. So you will get some time to think about your situation. Some of you could be moving away for a certain period to get back your thoughts together or to change your perspective. And after that, with the three of cups, you are going to get into a healing situation, reuniting with the loved ones, or getting back into the groove and getting back into a healed situation. So with the justice card and the six of wands, I am seeing the upset situation, or whatever had caused you an upset, you are going to get back into balance. Fairness will be dealt out to you, or you are being asked by the angels to be fair to others, to get a victory in your situation. So with the six of wands, you are going to overcome a difficult situation in this time with the correct or fair judgment in this time period. So you could be receiving judgment from others, you could be getting justice on what you have been wanting for so long. So there is a world card here. You could be dealing with someone away from you, or you are ending one cycle and entering a new cycle in your life by upgrading your situation. And definitely healing is happening after a terrible circumstance, after a terrible thing that happened to you suddenly, and it created a havoc in your life. But immediately things will become better for you with an upgrade, and justice will be done to you, and you will overcome a situation. So basically what's happening is a death situation in your career. So this could be career, money, job, finance. This is an ending of a certain situation. You are going to walk away from this situation. That's what I am seeing, or someone is going to walk away, and that is causing a difficulty in your money, career, or finance, or you are going to walk away from difficulties or unpleasant situations. With the star and the knight of swords energy, there is a swish of sword, there is an entry of some news or entry of someone that is going to give you a very very hopeful situation. So some news is coming in after a bad circumstance for you, which is going to take you out of a difficult situation. Some of you are departing, some of you are taking a travel or moving away from a situation very fast to go into a hopeful situation. You have been looking at something curiously for a long time, but this change is coming for you with the 8 of wands and 8 of cups. There is a good financial situation coming back to you, and you are going to benefit from that. So a rebirth of some sort is happening with the death card. So an ending which is painful, but something will be growing, something will be progressing, and a new fast situation is coming in, which is going to make your situation hopeful, and your career, money, job, finance will look better in the month of May. So there could be a departure, there could be a journey, there could be a change of organization, there could be a fast change, there could be a fast progress that is coming to you. Keep your hopes up. In terms of your relationship, what I am seeing is you could be dealing with a very controlling energy with the emperor. You could be dealing with an Aries, you could be dealing with any other sign, or a masculine energy could be trying to control you. With your judgment energy, you will decide to sacrifice. You will sacrifice something in this time period. You will change your perspective on the issue of a heartbreak or some kind of setback in your personal life, with close relationships, with friends, with family, or with a loved one. You could be dealing with a Pisces, you could be dealing with a Sagittarius, Leo, or a Aries in this time period, and you have decided to let go of something and be away from something, and that is giving you an energy of love, abundance, new love, abundance, and beauty. Some of you could be dealing with your motherhood in this time period, and magically situations will change for you. Your energies will work out. You will work with a team spirit, with someone, with close family, and a turnaround is possible in this time period for you, from a bad circumstance, heartbroken situation, to a better situation in your love life or in your family situation. So there is a possibility that your nurturing, caring side will come and change your situation. You could be manifesting a comeback of a person after a bad crisis. This is going to happen, or some of you are going to take yourself out of a difficulty with the King of Wands energy, setting yourself free. Or a King of Wands could be in the picture but far away from you. This could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius energy. So you are going to change your gears and manifest a happy ending to a bad critical situation, or a critical situation in your love life, or in your marriage, or in your close relationship. So in terms of your health, Libra, what I am seeing is Four of Swords. You require rest, you require some time out to take care of your health. Let time heal a problem that is troubling you at this time. Take 3-4 days of rest, and things will be all right for you. Maybe you require rest after a bad health situation, or rest after some kind of tower situation in your health. So you will recover if you take some time out and proactively think about your health, your body and your mind. So expectation will be on the high with the Three of Wands, that is just below the deck, card below the deck, and also the King of Swords. So you have to take control of your situation, consolidate your energies, and you will see some great situations turning up for you. So let's see your outcome. Your outcome is the Four of Wands, and it is happening very fast with the Eight of Wands and the Knight of Cups. So the Knight of Cups energy is someone bringing love for you, or it is asking you to be more diplomatic in your situation. There will be too many messages coming towards you, and ultimately you will have a happy home, happy life, and things will progress towards the best. So show your charm, or receive the charm, or receive the apologies that are coming towards you. So in terms of your Lenormand, what is coming to you in the month of May is the Garden card. This is 20 number card. This is telling us that there could be a start of business, invention, or love. Put more courage and enthusiasm into what you do, and you will obtain excellent results. All your energy is concentrated on your work. You have a series of brilliant plans that are waiting to be put into practice. A part of the month will be dedicated to rest, with a relaxing holiday that puts you back in shape. So commitment in study or work has brought you in an enviable position. In terms of a present situation, business that is already underway is making profits or will make profit. There could be a nice holiday coming up. A master stroke discovery will be unexpected, but it can happen. An invention which will change your life. Look for a sponsor. In terms of your result, in terms of your work, is you will be doing very well, and your initiative will stand strong, and that is what is going to bring in lot of joy, happiness for you in terms of your career, job or business. In terms of your money, after a breakdown, recovery is slow but sure. Harmony is coming back in your economy, good business numbers, with a peaceful holiday or some downtime. And in terms of your love relationship, you could be going through a change of destiny in your love. Emotional recovery after being hurt, and nature and art will help you in this time period. Unexpectedly consoling invitations will come to you, and it will soothe your disappointment, and full recovery of peace is possible after the worst phase, and peace again with the help of family and friends. That is what I am seeing for you, Libra, in the month of May. If you have liked this reading, please like, share and subscribe. If you have something to say to me, write it in the comment box. People who are going through difficulties can always contact me for a personal reading. These readings are prepaid, pre-booked and pre-slotted, so decide and then contact me through the email ID. And keep watching this page, Tarot Priestess 1313, for more information and predictions. Bye bye.